Quickly view your spending categories and transactions, as well as credit card and bank account balances from any institution in one place for an easy way to see your financial big picture. From your dashboard, review your accounts, cash, credit cards, debts, investment categories, and all posted transactions. Your dashboard allows you to see items such as spending, budgets, cash flow, and net worth. Easily create budgets to categorize and track spending habits. By seeing how you reach a spending target, you can make smarter financial choices. The cash flow calendar brings your budget to life through an interactive calendar. You can see how much money you have available to pay bills and other expenses day by day, allowing you to make informed choices when to schedule bills and other spending. Set and track goals to help you take control and reach your financial goals. Create savings goals like saving for a vacation or paying off an auto loan. Build wealth and watch it grow through the Net Worth tool. Quickly add up all of your assets and debts to show you an up-to-date estimate of your net worth. Always on the go? Use the Alerts feature. For extra security and fraud prevention on all your financial accounts, even accounts from other institutions, be alerted on your account balances and posted transactions. And use alerts to track progress of your financial goals, budgets, and more. With these simple tools, you can truly get a handle on your money and achieve all of your financial goals.